All right, guys, you've been talking, we've been listening. I want to introduce you to our very first on-road model in some time. So the Macquarie 186C is the smallest tandem axle caravan that we make for couples. Now, the Macquarie has been brought back by popular demand. All of our previous customers who have had a Macquarie in the past simply just love the height, they love the towing ability, and of course, they liked it because it was lightweight. Reintroducing the Macquarie. So under the Caravan, you've got a rock and roller leaf spring suspension with 15-inch wheels. However, we've incorporated the 6-inch A-frame all the way through to the front of the chassis as per all of our Caravans. Now, if you follow me, I'll talk to you about what's on the front of the van. So the Macquarie is our luxury touring caravan. And what you have here is a 50mm ball coupling for that highway towing. And of course, the 6-inch A-frame goes all the way through. Gas bottles are perfectly situated inside this toolbox. So you've got two twin 9-kilo gas bottles. And of course, if you want to take some water or fuel, you can put your jerry cans in these little containers or just your tools or whatever you like, right? So nice and neat from Retreat. Now follow me through to the door side of the Caravan and I'll show you a couple extras. So this Caravan, along with all of our 2026 range, has our monster access doors, allowing you to open up again the largest tunnel boot in the caravan market. And whilst I'm sitting here looking at this compliance plate, for 2,486 kilos of caravan, you get a lot of caravan for that sort of weight. So for all of the entertainers out there watching the footy or watching a documentary, you can pop your TV just out here on the picnic table or put it on a bracket on the side of the van because you've got 240 power, 12-volt power and a TV point all out here ready to go. The awning, as you can see, is extremely long, so it gives you great coverage for any bad weather that's outside. Now, I want to show you this Caravan on the inside because it looks Mickey Mouse. Luxury on-road tourer is exactly what I said, and I've delivered. With the island bed here, we've got plenty of storage in the overhead cupboard, in the robes, and even under the bed. So plenty of space to fit anything that you want in there, right? This also extends to all of our cabinetry. So over this cafe seating here, there's 3 cupboards with individualized storage facilities. So the shelf in the middle right here allows you to use smart storage. Now this item here, just so you guys know, Retreat Caravans does value compliance, and this is the individual solar panel fuses which are on our roof and the circuit breaker for the solar panels. Yes, it is a luxury caravan in a touring suspension. However, it's a luxury off-grid caravan with 3 solar panels on the roof equating to 660 watts, as well as a 300 amp hour lithium battery and built-in DC to DC charger. This caravan will keep you off-grid for longer. So this perfectly acquainted cafe seating allows you to sit down, pull the table out, have your meal, and when you're finished, just pack it straight back up again. Plenty of space here in the kitchen with a single bowl sink and the lift up lid, allowing you to use your cooktop or your mini grill. Now you've got a pot drawer right here, which is very deep for all your pots and pans. Plenty of cupboard storage just in here under the sink. A few drawers here for all of your standard utensils. So storage, got you covered. Follow me through to the ensuite. With a full linen cupboard, bench top with a raised vanity, and a shaving cabinet, not only do you look good in that mirrored finish, but you've got plenty of storage in there. Washing machine, which is a top loader, plenty of drawers, huge shower. We've got you covered in this ensuite.